Hi everyone. Want to hide your activity status on TikTok? In this video, I'll show you how to turn it off so others can't see when you're online. So, let's dive in. First, open the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android phone. Now, tap Profile at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. In the drop-down list, find and select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Notifications option. Now scroll down until you find the Activity Status option under the Messages section. Tap the toggle next to Activity Status to turn it off. And that's it. Your activity status is now turned off so other people won't be able to see when you're online on TikTok. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.